Happy Easter, everyone! I'm back with another video. It's been a while that I didn't post or upload anything in social media. Finally, I'm back! This video, it is inspired by yesterday and with my bunny Herman. So, please stay tuned. As you can see, I already done my left side. Now I'll start to do the right side. Use this Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition by Beige Cosmetics. First, we're gonna put base on the eyelid. I'm using the skin tone from NYX.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
And I'm gonna use this one. This one doesn't have a matte color.
I just wish you knew.
For the brow bone, I'm gonna use this one.
That's just like you.
Next is I'm gonna use this one.
I want you.
Just after that, I'm gonna use this one also.
I think you're really cool.
So it's like purple and then pink.
You break it, you bought it.
Next is this one and this one. Just, you know, put it in the middle. Feel it. Next one is green. I'm just gonna combine the two. One thing I noticed about this palette is very pigmented, so nice to combine colors. Next is yellow, but I have to put setting spray on it because the yellow doesn't really show much. I'm gonna use this one and this one. Next is I'm gonna put the same color that I put in the upper lids. I'm gonna put it under the eye. Same thing. I'm gonna use this one just for base. And then I'm gonna put the pink. I'm just gonna combine the purple and pink. It's almost like the same color though, like And I'm gonna put the blue one middle, then green on the side, then yellow. Then I'm gonna use this highlighter here in the corner of the eye. We're done with the eyeshadow. Then let's go to the eyeliner. I really like this Revlon one. This Colorstay Sharp Line from Revlon. I really like this one. Use this one for the side. And then for the lashes, just gonna curl it. So my curler is from Nichido. I got it from the Philippines when I go back home. And for the lashes, I got this Sulfurs from Revlon. I also put mascara in the lower lashes. For the waterline, I'm gonna use this Revlon Colorstay. I got a magnetic lashes just to add spunk on the lashes. I don't have, it's not that long, so I need help. Artificial lashes. Okay, now we're done with the eyes. I'm just gonna finish the whole look. Blonde for bronzer. This is again from Revlon, the blush. After that, I'm gonna put a highlighter, also from Revlon. Okay, I got the 202 Twilight Gleam from Revlon. I feel like my nose is just so red. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna use this bronzer from Revlon to contour my nose. Little bit of highlights. For the lips, I'm gonna use the lip liner from Smashbox, and it's Nude Medium. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this Revlon for the shade Dusty Rose. I'm gonna overlay it with another lipstick from Revlon. It's Act Natural. To seal the look, I'm gonna spray it with Milani setting spray. So if you like this Easter look tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll put all the items that I use on my face down in the description box below. That's it. Bye for now. Bye.